Hey, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best tripod for backpacking you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon so never miss an update. A tripod that can easily fit in your backpack is an important accessory to have your smartphone and DSLR camera. Whether you are a photographer, videographer, or someone who enjoys traveling, a small tripod and lightweight tripod can easily fit in your backpack. There are many good backpack tripods on the market, but each has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. So we have compiled a list of the top 3 best tripods for backpacks that you can purchase based on your requirements. Today's list is based on my personal opinion and research, and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started our countdown. On number 3, Zomei Z669C. The Zomei Z669C is a carbon fiber tripod with a small footprint and low price tag because we want tripod that can easily fit into our backpacks. The Zomei Z669C has folded height of 35 cm over 15 cm. That is backpack friendly. This tripod can be fully extended for 152 cm over 60 inches. That is tall enough to be used comfortably. Plastic tripod head and carbon fiber construction provide a lightweight design that weighs around 1.3 kg, which are 3.3 lbs, and won't add weight to your backpack. Pros of Zomei Z669C. Excellent value for money. It folds up to small package. Extremely lightweight. Cons of Zomei Z669C. A low-cost, high-quality protective bag. Not recommended for use in cold weather or while wearing gloves. On number 2, 3-legged Think Punks Gory. This tripod has a stylish design and multiple attachment points. This tripod is designed for travelers and comes with legs that folds back 180 degrees over the center column, taking up only 35 cm or 13.67 inches of space of your backpacking sport. The tripod's full extended height is approximately 147.5 cm, which are 58 inches. This will allow you to photography at a comfortable height. It weighs of 1.5 kg over 3.4 lbs and will not put any strain on your backpacks. These tripods are made of magnesium alloy, which is new material for travel tripods and provides excellent durability. Pros of 3-legged Think Punks Gory. Stylish design, strong legs, and maximum load capacity of 14 kg. Cons of 3-legged Think Punks Gory. Color are not for everyone. On number 1, JOBY GorillaPod Focus. The JOBY GorillaPod Focus has flexible legs and is made of plastic and aluminum. It has a compact design and long-lasting construction. The tripod is a good choice if you need a tripod that fits in your backpacks and is 38.5 cm over or 15.1 inch long. The contents of your backpack. The tripod does not have an extended height and can only reach a maximum height of about 38.5 cm or 15.1 inches. The tripod weighs about 739 grams or 1.74 lbs, making it heaviest flexible tripod available, but it is still the best flexible tripod for travelers. Pros of JOBY GorillaPod Focus. Ultra lightweight, Velcro strap system that can be used in a variety of ways. It's portable and small. Cons of JOBY GorillaPod Focus. Low maximum load and low height. So guys, this was the video about the best tripod for backpacking. All the links are given in the description below. Do check them out. If you really enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much.